So I have another TikTok sent here from one of my students with a really sick bass. It was at a show. It's oddly easy. Zeds Dead, tape B. And we needed to recreate it naturally. So that's what we did and came out really sick. It's a sound I've been wanting to make for a long time. So I have to show you guys. Just listen to this first. So fire. All right, cool. So with that in mind, there's only reverb on it right now. That's dry. That's reverb. We're going to open up Serum 2. This full preset will be on my Patreon if you want to get that right now. And you can also get hundreds of other presets from previous videos, as well as projects. But if you want to make this, we're going to make it right now. We actually should look at the note. The note that we're using is D2. We're in D minor, octave 2. We also, I want you to keep in mind, we have some automation here changing the speed. So 1/8 triplets right here, and then quarter note right here. All right, so we're going to turn off oscillator B, turn off filter, turn off effects. First thing you start with is octave -1 sine wave. I have analog BD sine specificable. Wavetable positions at 42. PD from B is going to go up to 25%, going up to 22%. You can't hear this knob right now because this is not on. Keep that in mind. Go to LFO1 though and make this shape, little shark fin. Pull this down a little. You see this wiggle up. I'll show you how to do that. Right click, modulate curves, LFO bus 1, and then LFO 1, and then you're going to go to the matrix, and then you'll see this LFO bus 1, and you'll move this to 17%. That will control how high and low that moves. So you can also mess with that however you want. Turn on oscillator B. ICANN has kicks specifically in digital. This is a really good one. Wavetable positions all the way down, and we're adding the LFO to the wavetable position. It kind of opens it up. Sync is also turned on too. Let me turn this off real quick. Turn the level all the way down, add the LFO1 to level going all the way up. This is on octave 2, very high pitch, with a fifth included. So +7 semitones to give it that fifth. Listen without the fifth. Cool. And then sync goes on. Sync is on 1.10, going up 16%. Adding those higher harmonics, higher tones. Really cool. And then get the filter. We're going to kind of carve out frequencies with this. Cutoff is at 58. LFO is going up 42%. The resonance is going to be at 16%. Drive is at 21%. LFO goes on the resonance and goes up 14. LFO goes on the drive and goes up 10%. A and B have to be turned on too. Now it's cleaner, more controlled, tamed. That's harsh. This, not as harsh. So that's good. We want to tame the beast, and then we can pull up the frequencies with like compression, which is basically what we're about to do. But first, distortion. Tube. Drive 74%. Distorting that signal, then we compress the signal. We had 6.5 dB gain. We add width by adding hyper, mixes on 18%. Add more width and movement with phaser, mixes at 20. Feedback's 57. Frequencies at 157. Nice. Just adding like sprinkling on little width effects, turning it up more, adding some distortion. Real common stuff that you can use on all patches. Remember, if you move this sync or this wavetable position, you can get new sounds. So many cool sounds that you can mess with. Same thing with this one knob. And you can mess with the LFO amount too. So this is flexible. PD from B is also optional. You can move that too. We need this to have more space. So we're going to add a reverb. Dry and wet's at 16%. Decay is low. It's at 620 milliseconds. I recommend that you automate the rate. So hit configure on Serum, click on this rate knob. It'll pop up here. Click configure again. And then now you can exit out of Serum and right click this arrow to automate and control the speed. I like these triplets. These are slow. A little bigger. Really cool patch. Super fun to do. You guys experiment, have fun. Hit me up if you have any questions in Instagram or Discord. Please like, comment, and subscribe. And if you need private lessons, hit me up. We can get down. We do them basically every day. And also, if you guys see, we're on the road to 10K. We're super close. So hit that subscribe button. We're going to do some big things here soon. I will see you guys later. Peace.